Hi, good morning everyone. Jojo here. Yeah, we are here at in Pismo Preserve Trail specifically. Yeah, originally we're from the Philippines, and before that, yeah, look at the my background view, the shoreline of Pismo Beach. Yeah, uh, originally we're from the Philippines, and we moved to the U.S. in 2009. It's because of our big dream for our family, to help our family back home. That's why we decided to move to the U.S. And my late wife get a job in a hospital. She's actually a nurse. And yeah, because of that dream, we came here in 2009. And yeah, and over there is the sand dunes. Sand dunes. It's a nice place here. Yeah, our dreams is huge, and um, still when we are here, we're still struggling about um, financially. I mean, and our dream is like that huge. And if you wanna survive here, maybe the best thing you do. There are two things you're gonna do. One is either forget your huge dream and fit your dream to your income, so that you can survive. And the second one is either increase your income so that you can achieve your dreams and help your family. So unfortunately, as I said, I mentioned about my late wife. She works hard to trying to achieve our dreams, but it takes a toll on her health, and she's gone in 2018. That's why I keep on looking an opportunity. And actually, before she died, we talked about having an extra income for us to help, as I said, and for the future of our children. Yeah, and it's unfortunate that when I started this one after her passing in 2018, I started in 2019. And yeah, it's an easy online business to manage, and you can have the time freedom, like we are doing right now. We're here on a trail, hiking, having an exercise, and at the same time our business working at the background. And today it's Tuesday. It's 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific time, 7 p.m. CST time, and 8 p.m. EST time. And please check your standard time in your country or in your area to join us tonight for our free webinar to learn more about our business, how this works. And that's it for today. Have a wonderful day. Have a blissful day, everyone. Bye. Yeah, we're starting uh, hiking today. And yeah, by the way, don't forget to sign up below or somewhere here for the free webinar at www.jojorobledo.com. Bye.